to use the Layout Designer in Tracker RMS. To get to the Layout Designer, click on your name in the top right corner, and then click on Tools and Settings. When we reach the Tools and Settings screen, you'll see a card down below on the left-hand side that says Change Your Screen Layout using the Layout Designer. You can go ahead and click on Get Started to get to the Layout Designer. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu of all the layouts you have available. You can apply each layout to the different user groups that you have, so different types of users can see different types of information. You can choose one of these options below to then edit their view, or you can click on the green plus to add a new layout. Once you're ready to edit the layout, you can then choose the record screen that you need to edit. It will default to company, but you can click on that drop-down menu and choose any one of these screens. When you scroll down, you're going to have the current layout. On the left-hand side, you'll see the tabs that are located inside that company record. Here, you can click on that blue pencil and edit the name of the tab if you would like. And then when you're on that tab, you'll then see all the different record blocks listed here. You can pick up those record blocks and drag them and drop them in a different order. Or any that you haven't already used will be located on the right-hand side. That way, you can pick them up and drag them right into the layout. You do not need to save any changes. These will save automatically. You can then decide to check out the next tab here to see what's listed here. Drag and drop and change the areas that they're located. You can also add a brand new tab if you would like by clicking on the green button, naming it whatever you would like, and dragging in the record blocks you would like to see in that tab. You can also decide to edit or delete the current tabs that you have. Once you click on that blue pencil here, if you click on delete, it will remove that tab from that view. Now keep in mind, if you have any record blocks available inside that tab that you delete, those record blocks will then move over to the available record block side, so you can pick them up and drag them into a different tab once you're ready. You'll see it works the same for any record, so if I go into a candidate record here, this is what we see on our Profile tab. You can pick it up, you can drag it down, and you can change any options that you would like. Again, no need to hit save. Your changes are automatically saved once you drag and drop. Please keep in mind that any changes that you make to any record are instantly updated. You'll be able to jump right into whatever record you've changed to see your changes. Now please do keep in mind, the Layout Designer is normally only available to administrators on your account. So if you'd like to make any updates, please do talk with them to see what they can do for you. These layout changes in the Layout Designer will affect anybody with this layout view, so it is not just on a user level.